Hosting an event at Farnborough, one word, excellence. Screwfix Live is an extension of the Screwfix brand. So Screwfix have got over 900 trade counters across the UK, but they're small industrial units on industrial locations. You can't see and touch much of the product. What we find is trade customers still want to actually come into contact with the product. We've got over 180 brands, all exhibiting their latest products, designs, what's new, and what customers know. They can come and find out the very latest sort of products in the market from all of the top trade brands that they know and trust. Screwfix Live started out in Farnborough in 2013 as a trial. The business was going through rapid growth, but was looking for that sort of additional activation. We came to Farnborough, customers responded really well, they enjoyed it. We liked the location, we had good visitor numbers. The Screwfix is a growing business. We're looking to do different things every year, new things, and the venue team come with us on that journey. They work with us to allow us to kind of work on new ideas and deliver new features within the show, and that's a big part of what we're trying to do. Screwfix is Farnborough for the weekend, and we make sure everyone knows about it.
Please put your hands together for Harry Redknapp.
Farnborough's a great venue for us for two main reasons: geography, and that's really important to us. We want to bring in an audience from a 90-minute drive time. What we also find is Farnborough's unlike lots of other venues where, because we take the whole site for the weekend, it gives us that flexibility to express ourselves, be ourselves. We feel like the team at Farnborough actually understand us and we work together as a proper partnership, and lots of businesses say that, but it really feels like it. Whether it's security, catering, cleaning, the event operations team, everybody gets involved and they work with us to deliver the best possible event. If another event organiser was looking at Farnborough, I'd strongly recommend it on the basis of it's a really professional venue, but with a personality and a flexibility that allows you to build your event in the way you want it to be. We keep coming back to Farnborough because it works for us. We deliver consistently good numbers. We grow every year. We have a lot of stores within 90 minutes of here. That's really important. But we just believe we can express ourselves in the way we want to at Farnborough and build the show to be the best it possibly can be.